That feeling of reiteration when your forces grow, small count go notice. Do you know it well? You have applied countless strategies without seeing true results. This video will reveal the game-changer approach that helped me break through and can do the same for you. Keep on watching the final part of this video where the real magic happens. Today we're gonna use classic candles and 30 seconds on time frame. 3 indicators, guys: ADX, envelopes, and parabolic SAR. For the ADX, we're gonna use 10-10. The color I'm gonna use this one, that is up to you. Alright, we're gonna save. Envelope 16003, WMA, open, white for colors. Alright, and SAR 00402. The style that you use with that is green and tune thickness. For $4 and 1 minute on expiration time. When I get our first one, I will try to explain everything for you guys. Alright, everything set up. And guys, for those that want to create an account, the link for this box option will be on the description. Alright, so it's time to take action. We'll start with our first pair. Just use sell button for that. And situation here is quite ambiguous, so I started with $4, right? Guys, in this indicator suggests we go down from resistance level. We can see on the ADX the crossing line on that. From the resistance line on the envelopes, all right? And what I did tell you, suggests is go down. The indicators are the key. You have to take their configuration seriously, all right? That is pretty important. And the parabolic SAR as well. What I'm showing you here is only of several powerful ways to level up. Become a pro means divine, diving deep into the most lucrative strategies. And to help you get started, I've created two exclusive resources for you. Stick around to the end of the video. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. And look at that, $84 for the first one. Let's go. And again, guys, look at that. Almost the same situation. They can just pass through the resistance line from the envelopes. We got the parabolic SAR, the crossing line on that. On the ADX, the blue and the pink one crossing on down. Okay. And that is following the trend after correction and hoping it continues. Let's check this. Great, let's keep the down one. Depending on the situation, I will go down from the resistance level and confirm with the indicators. And that's right. Right? Everything, guys, is in order right here. Can you feel that? Okay? And look at that. That's respecting. It's really good. Really good. Alright? And I can say now, as look is on my side. Just kidding, guys. There's no luck here. Just detailed, well-designed strategy and concrete factors. I stopped believing in luck in a long time. I won't believe in myself in all indicators. And look at that. It's again a win. Again, 124, and that's pretty good. Well, guys. I'm seeing right here a strong downtrend. Oh, that is an uptrend, but I'm seeing a downtrend that will start to happen, which is always confirmed by the indicators. So let's play it safe and not bad. Okay. Last time I was surprised by how predictable it was. Let's see here it is, guys. I'm moving down from the resistance level because you see that price broke through the level and started to fall. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Alright, you can see on the details, the resistance online on the envelopes, on the ADX, the crossing line above the blue one, the pink one, as I showed for you. And that's pretty good. And look at that. All right, 10 seconds remaining. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. That's respecting. Let's go. 1. Oh my God, that was so close. 184 in the total. In my count, 124 of profit. This one. Guys, I hope I've shown you that is a matter of luck. Just look at our results. Remember where I started. That's right. Today I only share of my strategies with you, but there are many more in my VP group. Want to learn how to analyze effectively? Click on the link for that and go to my group. That's all for today, guys. Right now, I wish you good profits, good operations, and I want to see everyone in the next live session, next video. Bye bye. See you.